How's it, guys? In today's video we'll be covering the text on an arc tool using VinylCut. Just quickly have some intro time. Okay, so today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You can find videos like this and more there based off different softwares and VinylCut as well. And then we do upload videos daily, so keep an eye for new content. Otherwise, let's head into the program again. Okay, now let's just start a new page quick so we can show you from scratch. Now once again, to locate the text icon, we'll be navigating to our side toolbar panel here, and then on the text tool, if you click and hold, it will pop up the extra menus under that icon. So we'll be going to the bottom here, type on arc, and then if you click on the canvas, like any text tool, it will bring you your type prompt. So let's just okay, now you can see by default it's already going on a arc, and then the options we have is on top here. So let's just quickly look at them. So we've got the arc radius. This will be basically the size of the imaginary circle, you can say, it's typed on. So if we adjust this, you can see it. So it's adjusting the angle of it. And then we can also set the text to outside or inside. So this is, you use this quite often. So let's just go to inside. Now you can imagine it's on the inside of the sphere or the circle, the arc. And then just a pro tip, now you'll see the text is way closer to each other than what was on the outside. So to fix that, we can always go here to our right, and then having your text selected, then we just go to the tracking. So if we now adjust this, then you will see it starts doing the spacing of the text, which is quite convenient. Then and then another option we have here is the start angle. So let's say, just take this text and switch to outside. Let's say you want your text to only start a bit off center or to the side, then you can always just go to your start angle, and then if we adjust this, then you will see where it starts. But keep in mind, it does not you can set it more finely, so you can just change this to a custom amount, and then you will see. So if you need to do fine tuning, then like any other text tool, you can easily just still select the text. You can go here to your right and set the font and any other property like normal text. Okay, let's just quickly go to the website. Okay, just a reminder, guys, you can go to softwaretraining.co.za for this video and more, and then you can also isolate your training videos by software, so you can look at what we've got, or you can go on top here and search if you're looking for something specific. If you do not find what you're looking for, you can always request the video and then a training video, and then we'll make it for you. Otherwise, thanks for watching the video, and cheers.